Hey there, Danny K coming to you from Danny K Gym and Wellness. Today's tip is progress begins when you change your negative thoughts. So we've all been there, the more negative thoughts that we have either about ourselves or about the day or about, the frustrations that are coming down on us, the more it seems to happen, or the more we seem to be negative about ourselves, or the more we seem to, take things that we thought, was that about me? Like personal kind of thing. So the thing is, and I'm kind of battling with it a little bit today, you have to change your negative thought. You have to start, pulling in a positive thought. And if you can't get to that positive thought, then kind of take a couple of minutes, go to your office, go to your bedroom, go downstairs, wherever you're at, whatever you're at, go to the bathroom stall and just kind of take a couple of minutes to kind of breathe, to kind of get set again, because we've all been there. It's just like, man, it seems like one thing on top of another, on top of another, on top of another, because we don't take the time to breathe. We don't take the time to get ourselves out of that situation, and even if you feel like you can't, just take a bathroom break and just sit there for a couple of minutes and, or stand there for a couple of minutes, whatever. And, just kind of, breathe, think happy thoughts. Palm trees, my favorite, sunshine, beach, just think some positive thoughts. And then that kind of soothes you, relaxes you, or whatever, and then go out and then finish tackling whatever it is. But it's so true that you're not going to progress anywhere, and you're going to keep stumbling and stumbling and stumbling if you keep those negative thoughts about yourself, about your image, about your body image, about your job, about just certain things that might be piling up on you, just in your day, whether you're whether you're a business owner, whether you're a worker, an employee, whether you're, a stay-at-home mom or dad, or, whatever, things do, they pile up. And if we don't take the time to sit back and just, be amongst ourselves and, think some positive thoughts, it's going to keep tumbling down on us. And I know that everybody out there that's watching this can relate to that. So my thing is, take some time. If you start, and here, if anybody at the gym says anything negative about themselves, they owe me $1 for relay. I don't take negative words, about themselves, putting themselves down. I won't do that. I won't allow that. So, and the way that they're going to be able to change, and think better about themselves is when they change those negative thoughts. If they keep saying, I'm a piece of shit, or, I'm, and these aren't my words, I'm just saying, if they say, I'm fat, hey, give me $1, because, one, you're in the gym doing something about it, and that's a negative thought. Don't have a negative thought, especially about yourself. Inside, outside, you're a beautiful person, and, find the good qualities, and there's times too where if somebody, comes into the gym, or I can't do that, I'm not strong enough, or I'm too weak, or give me $1, because it's a negative thought, and then I'm like, no, now that you said that, you have to say something positive. Even when I used to teach dance, I allowed some of the students, like we did it as a group, then we did it, maybe as a trio, we did it as a duo, and then everybody did it individually, because I wanted them to know that they didn't have to rely and watch Mary Sue do the routine, because I want their face here watching. I want them to feel confident about themselves that they knew the routine. So I had them do it individually, and everybody else, of course, was watching, and like their audience, and, if I wanted, if they had something to critique about their routine or about how they did, like if they didn't put enough energy in it, they had to say something positive, like, oh, you knew the whole routine. However, if you look down a lot, you know what I mean? Like, so they couldn't say anything negative without saying something positive first. If you didn't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. And that's kind of, you know, this progress begins when you change your negative thought. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say it. So if you don't have anything nice to say about yourself, don't say anything, because I don't want to hear anything negative about anybody, because everybody is perfect the way they are. They're beautiful the way they are, you know. So if you want to progress, if you want to make yourself stronger, you want to make yourself leaner, you know, then we can work on that, and that's perfect. So, but the only way that you're going to be able to do that is if you get yourself out of that negative thought process. Because if you constantly are putting yourself down, you can't put yourself down and move forward at the same time. You just can't do it. So you change your negative thoughts about yourself, and even about any situation that you might be in. Change that thought, try and find something positive, and move forward with that. Okay, so I hope you like that tip. I hope you're going to utilize that tip. You know, and even with your kids, if your kids say something negative, tell them they owe you a quarter or something, or make them do push-ups or something. Never let anyone say anything negative about themselves, please. This society anymore is just too damn negative, and we got to start lifting people up instead of pushing people down, and that begins with us. So don't put yourself down, lift yourself up. Stay in tune, stay informed, stay motivated. Bye.